Her one pitney, one daughter. I tell you, so the girl bright is a shame, bright, bright, bright piece of girl.
If it's your first time here, ensure you subscribe now. Click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Viewer subscribers, Just Vibes Radio. If you haven't heard us yet, you can go watch my previous video. But we're here to talk about what they did to her. That is Khanice Jackson before them take her life, my people. Also, we saw where Masicka reacted to the situation, which is actually very, very touching. But before we go any further, I want you guys to listen to this voice note. Listen to this voice note carefully.
Her one pitney, one daughter. I tell you, so the girl bright is a shame, bright, bright, bright piece of girl. She don't even, them people that not really left them house unless I work from work to home and from home to her boyfriend. I tell her it wicked. Right at Manchester, there's a further down. Like you wouldn't walk go down a supermarket, that's where she come from. I'm see her up to Tuesday. I see her right at Cedar Grove. Out of the front with her boyfriend. Tuesday, I see her in her work clothes. And then Wednesday, me say she missing. I tell her, wicked, it wicked. So wicked.
Some people, not only that Khanice was an independent female, she was also the breadwinner of her house. A very educated and intelligent female. Someone who not even trouble people. Like, she will be there if she's not at work and you don't know that she's there. That's the type of person she is. To mention, she is the only child or daughter of her mother. So you can imagine that mother sacrifice everything just to ensure that her child or daughter gets a good education and came out to be something great, or on the journey of becoming somebody great, so that she could actually help back the mother. My viewer subscribers, and them things here don't look good. You get me? And me can't empathize anymore. Me just imagine where the mother and the boyfriend I got through, because we saw a video where the mother was crying, the boyfriend was also crying as well. You can realize that they share a bond together. Again, as me saying in my previous video on the matter, a lot of persons will not be able to relate because she was not close to them, but me I imagine how the close or immediate family members are feeling now. You get me? And what really touched me is a mere fact, this female had a really bright future, very intelligent young lady, had a bright future. And we can imagine the mother, this little girl here, the mother investment, and them just take her life like that, and what I was hearing based off of what happened is that whenever them find, whenever they take these females, they not only take their life, but what they do also with them. So that me kinda can't imagine why men, jeez and peace. And these are the same man them, when police bought them up, them a beg for them life now, and people are beg enough to take them life now, my people. You see it? This innocent young girl here and take her away. You see me? I don't even want to say a word, my people. You see it? And then take her life. Like, boy, my viewers, subscribers, as me telling you, you see it? We have got to start take matters in our own hands them right now, because you see it? Nothing is being done if that is effectively, curtailing or curbing these type of incidents. You see it? Time and time them things here happen. I just know them things here happen. You get me? But as me say, we have to take matter in our own hand. You get me? When you're up on the road as youths, whenever we're up on the road, we have to look out our way. We have to be militant, vigilant. You better be paranoid. You see me? Make people tell us we're paranoid, but we have to do something. You see, because the female was on her way to work. You see it? Nothing more that she went into a transportation or a vehicle, or somebody did actually watch her from a taller time and know say she take taxi or bus at that location every morning for go to work or most morning, and them just plan it, and as me say, a beautiful young girl, and all of that, them plan it and pull up on her, acting as if they're running taxi or something and just take her away, and do what them have to do with her and then left her my viewers, subscribers. It no look good, you see me. But again, condolences goes out to the mother and the family and also I realize the boyfriend kinda more now. Condolences, my condolences. I really feel it. You get me, and we are sending prayers up for us, so just stay strong. God will bring them the persons who did this to justice. My viewers, subscribers. We also saw where Masicka actually made a post or reacted to the situation, which is actually a good, I won't say a good look, but once we have them type of people here acknowledging these type of things, because them most of them things here are going in basically say Jamaica. These are people who have influence and a whole heap of people, but it rough. You see it, I mean, no one say, the whole Jamaica, I go feel this. The whole Jamaica, I go feel this, my people. I mean, we need the police them for find them people who commit such are doing, my people. And me know say everybody entitled to their own opinion, but man like them here, not for doing no jail time. Them not for doing no jail time. A straight jungle justice. You see it? And no matter what you do on this earth here, somebody always see. And one day, you come. If nobody not see, God always see. And one day, you'll be brought to justice. You see it, my people. But in all honesty, this female didn't deserve this. You see it? When me I listen to the voice note and the person I say, this type of female here, she not trouble people, she not follow company, she not about a company. A female with day in her house and you probably don't know unless you see her to and from work, or she a go shop. Not even go shop, because them have everything inside them house for them need, so she don't really need to go outside. Her mother ensures say she's well taken care of. You get me? The level of parenting them I tell about. You get me? So you can know say the mother is the mother investment that. So the mother ensure that that child is well taken care of, get a good education, and was on the verge of becoming somebody great so she can help the entire family. You get me? Especially her mother, my people. So when them things here happen, you can't, my people. Jamaica, Jamaica, as a Masicka said, Jamaica. You see me? A full time now people realize say Jamaica get out of hand now. You see it, like Jamaica not safe again. And we need to stop act as if Jamaica is a safe country. We need to stop act like Jamaica is not one of the most dangerous country right now when it come on to homicide and killing and them thing there. We need to stop pretend like we're safe. We're not safe. Male or female, adult or children, we're not safe. You see me? You see, until people realize that, you go see. You see, we're not safe. Always be alert. Always expect anything from in your island, pan your island here, Jamaica. You not safe, my viewers, subscribers. But yeah, man. You see me? People must do this. They will be brought to justice. I could have even 20 years from now. Remember me telling you that, my people. You see, but not a good look, my viewers, subscribers. My condolences goes out again. Until next time. Just 50. I'm out.